do the Baddha Konasana, butterfly, our nest posture, bound angle pose. As you see that those here already here. It requires the external rotation of our hips in this position to achieve this asana. So in this position, we keep our both feet together. We're rolling the legs externally, drag the heel back, we pull our heels towards the hip. So pressing the outer arch of the feet together, buttocks nicely rolling under in this position. So here I will make an active stretch in this position. The inner arch of the feet roll out and pressing the outer arches of the feet strongly together. So the inner side of the knee, nicely extend the right knee to the right side, left knee to the left side, and trying to press the knee thigh down and straight the back. Chest lift it up and straight your back. Now, first action we have here the forward movement, which really requires the flexibility in our sacrum. But see, instead to rounding the back, we'll try to keep the back straight, and as well as we'll use the one self adjustment to get into the asana or to make our thighs and knees more grounded. So what we're going to do now, we have the bricks here. I'm going to give the dosi brick. I'm going to keep the one brick on her top of the right thigh, another brick top of the left thigh in inclined position. Elbows resting, forearm resting on the brick, and catch your feet. Yeah. You can hold the right hand with the right foot and left hand with the left foot. So open the foot and use the elbow to press the brick down. Can you put some pressure there? Yeah. So keeping the back straight in this position and use the arm strongly to press the brick down. We can drop it a little bit more lower. Yeah, here, other one as well. Yeah. Use the arm strongly to press the bricks down here and keeping the back straight. Look front. Yeah, use your hand to open the feet in this position and straight back as she's doing now, shoulder backward. Neck is straight and look front. Maintain the heavy pressure to open the thighs, the groin region. Once you press and stay there, hold it for a bit. Breathe, stay there. Inhale and exhale. Try to lift from the sides of the body and fixing the back ribs nicely into the body, and pushing the right knee to the right side, as I mentioned in beginning, to the extension for our adductor. Left knee in a medial left knee to the left side and the medial right knee to the right side, pushing them outward. Same time, use the external force of our arms to press the thighs down to make your knees a little bit more grounded. We'll hold a few breaths. Take a couple of breaths in this position. Inhale and exhale. Now inhale slowly back to center, straight your back. We can remove the brick now. Now next variation we have here where we round our back to stretch our posterior vertebrae. So here again, and you can catch your feet here in this position or interlock the finger. As we exhale, press the knee down, first straight the back with inhalation. As you exhale, round your back, draw the belly in towards the spine and bring the head closer to the big toe as much possible. We're going to touch our head to the big toes as much you can, and trying to press the knee down, thighs down nicely, rounding the back and stretching your back of the neck. We'll hold it for a bit and even using the arms or thigh strength to press the knees, thighs down as much possible. According to the flexibility of our thighs, our back, we can go down. So in this position, if somebody have the lower back pain, they can avoid rounding the back like that way. But those are fine, fit and fine. They can try to make a big round, nicely stretch your entire posterior vertebra in this position. And knees strongly pressing down and extension on your inner thigh, pressing through the outer arch of the feet. Then slowly back to center. And then exhale, bring your knees together, thighs together, hug your knees, hug your thighs, and take a few breaths here. And then relax.